48 stator slot carrying a 3-phase winding, each coil of the winding that is a sorted coil, short-corded by one slot pitch. It means that is 4 pole. It is clear? That is 4 pole. S1, N1, S2, and that is N2. Clear? Now, okay. Corresponding to question, the sorted coil by one slot pitch means the coil is putting, sorted coil means the coil is putting like that position. It means rho this equal to gamma. Rho this equal to gamma. Okay. Number of slot is 48 and M this equal to 3. Number of pole is 4. Slot per pole per phase. Slot per pole per phase Q this equal to S divided by M into P. 48 divided by 12, that is 4. Q is greater than 1. It means that is distributed winding. That is distributed winding. It is clear? Which type of winding is? That is distributed winding. Why? Q is greater than 1. That's why. Now, winding factor Kw. Kw is equal to Q gamma divided by 2 divided by Q sine gamma by 2. Only fundamental distributed factor formula like this one. Now putting here sine, what about Q? Q is 4. What about gamma? Now gamma is equal to pi P divided by S, that is pi, what about P? 4, and what about S? 48, that is 15 degree. So 15 divided by 2, 4 sine 15 divided by 2, finally 1 by 8 into sine of 7.5. That is KD. That is KD. KD is equal to 8 sine 7.5. It is clear? Now our motto, according to question, short corded by one slot pitch means corded by one slot, that is rho this equal to gamma. If corded by 2 slot means what about rho? Rho this equal to 2 gamma. Okay, it is clear? According to question, one slot pitch, that's why slot is putting here. Then what about Kp? Kp is equal to cos rho by 2, and that is gamma by 2, and cos 15 by 2, that is cos 7.5. And what about distributed winding factor Kw? Kd into Kp. Now here 8 sine 7.5, finally 8 into cot 7.5. This is the final answer. According to question, a 48 slot, S this equal to 48 and P this equal to 4 pole or M this equal to 3. Alternative, the coil span is 10. What is the meaning of the coil span? I have discussed after determine distribution winding factor. Okay. Now we know that. What about distribution winding? Distribution winding factor KWR, this is equal to sine of Q gamma R by 2 divided by Q sine gamma R by 2. Okay. Our motto, determine fundamental, third harmonic and fifth harmonic. Now first of all determine Q and gamma. Okay. What about Q? Q this equal to Q means slot per pole per phase. Slot per pole per phase. M into P. 48 divided by 4 into 3, that is 4. Q is greater than 1, that's why that is distributed winding. It is clear? Winding, why? Because of Q is greater than 1. If Q is equal to 1, that is concentrated winding. It is clear? Now, corresponding to question, our motto first of all determine KD1. I think that is fundamental. Fundamental means R this equal to 1, KD sine, and also determine gamma. How to determine gamma? Gamma this equal to pi p by s. What about pi? And what about p? P this equal to 4, and that is 3. Sorry, 48. Pi divided by 12, it is 15 degree. That is 15 degree. It is clear? Now, sin Q 4, gamma this equal to 15 by 2 divided by 4 into sin gamma this equal to 15 into okay. What about KD3? That is sin Q this equal to 4, 15 into 3 divided by 2 whole divided by 4 sin 3 into 15 divided by 2. And what about KD5? Sin 5 15 into 3 divided by 2 whole divided by 4 sin 5 into 15 by 2. Okay. KD1, KD2 and KD1, KD3 and KD5 like this one. Now, our motto determine pitch factor. Pitch factor, it's depend upon rho. That's why first of all determine rho. How to determine rho? According to question, the coil span is 10. What is the meaning of the coil span is 10? It means right now coil span this is equal to 10. Clear? It means that is 10 slot. That is 10 slot. It means 10 slot pitches. That is 10 slot pitches. It is written as 10 into gamma. 10 into gamma means 15 degree. That is 150. Clear? It is less than 180. It means I am also determined short pitch coil angle. This is equal to 180 minus 150, that is 30 degree. It is written also 15 or 2 into gamma, or you can say that 2 into 2 slot. Okay. Coil span 10, or you can say that 10 slot. Okay. Or you can say that 10 slot pitches, or you can say that short pitch angle, that is 2 slot. Okay. All meaning are same. That is, you can say that the coil is corded by 2 slot. Means rho this equal to, what about rho? That is 2 gamma. It means 2 into 15. It is also written as 30 degree. Okay. Now, with the help of this formula, now pitch factor for Rth harmonic KPR this is equal to written as cos rho R by 2. Now for fundamental, cos rho by 2, that is cos 15 degree. Why? Gamma rho is 30 by 2, that is 15. Okay. Now what about KD3? It is also written as 3 into 15, that is cos 45 degree. And what about K5? Cos 5 into 15, that is 0.26. Okay. Now what about KD1? That is 0.95. Now Another way, our motto, determine winding factor. Winding factor. You know that Kw this is equal to Kd, distributor winding factor, into Kp, pitch factor, into Kp. Now Kd1, Kw1 this is equal to Kd1 into Kp1. Kd1 is 0.95, Kp1 is 0.966, that is 0.917. Okay. Now what about Kd3? Kw3 this is equal to Kp3. What about Kd3? 0.65 into Kp3. Kp3 is 0.71. Okay. That is 0.46. And what about Kd5 into Kp5? It is also written as 0.05 in 0.205 into 0.26, that is 0.053. That is the final answer. Okay.